In Linux, every process operates using three standard streams. STDIN acts as the entry point for input, typically from your keyboard. STDOUT is the primary channel for successful output, sending process data directly to your terminal screen. STDERR functions as a separate, dedicated channel specifically for error messages, ensuring that diagnostic information remains distinct from your regular data output. The pipe operator, represented by the vertical bar, acts as a bridge. It captures the STDOUT of one command and seamlessly redirects it into the STDIN of another. When you insert a filter like Grep into this pipeline, it inspects every line of data. Only information matching your specific criteria is allowed to pass through to the next stage. This modular approach allows you to chain simple, specialized tools together to perform complex data processing tasks with maximum efficiency. We begin by clearing the terminal buffer. Using the clear command is a standard practice to remove previous output, providing a clean slate for our upcoming operations. This helps maintain focus on the specific commands we are about to execute, ensuring that our workspace remains organized and easy to read throughout the tutorial. Next, we list the contents of the /etc directory using the long format flag. By piping this output into the head command, we restrict the display to just the first 5 lines. This technique is incredibly useful for inspecting large directories without overwhelming your screen with unnecessary information, allowing you to quickly verify file permissions and directory structures. Now we examine the system's user database by reading the /passwd file. We use Grep to filter for the root user specifically. This demonstrates how to isolate critical configuration lines from a dense file, which is a fundamental skill for system administration and troubleshooting when you need to verify user account details or security configurations. To monitor active processes, we use the ps command with the aux flags to capture a comprehensive snapshot of all running tasks. Piping this into Grep for Bash allows us to identify specific shell instances currently in use. This is an essential diagnostic step for understanding system activity and managing background services effectively. We return to the /passwd file, but this time we use the -v flag with Grep. This inverts the search, effectively hiding the root user and displaying all other system accounts. This is a powerful way to audit user lists or identify non-privileged accounts, helping you maintain a clear view of your system's user landscape. Finally, we explore the STDIN directory, which houses most of your system's executable files. By piping the file list into Grep, we search for any utilities related to zip. This demonstrates how to quickly locate specific software packages or compression tools installed on your system, proving that command line filtering is an indispensable tool for efficient file management.